Hey everyone, my name is Shankar Kaminade and I am here to present my 1D. So, let's start with the scenario description. At 13:30, the vessel is at the vicinity of the west part of Panay Island, on course with 200 degrees and 10 knots with a failing tide of tidal stream speed is 0.6 knots. The OOW observed Pusho Point Lighthouse bearing 330 degrees with a distance of 6 nautical miles. Plot the ship estimated position. So starting with our first point, let us find Pusho Point Lighthouse. Let me just take this one here. Transfer it here. Pusho Point Lighthouse would be located here, meaning that I have to find it in the distance of 300 degrees, distance of 6 nautical miles, which bears 330 degrees. But first, let me find the course that says 200 degrees. So, using my ruler, finding 200 degrees would be located here, like this. So, let's say, if I were, say, hypothetically, this would be the course. Now, let me find the Pusho Point Lighthouse, 6 nautical miles with 330 degrees, so 330 degrees, but there is a problem. First, I have to find its true bearing. So in order to find the true bearing, I have to take out 200 degrees from the course, and we'll add 330 degrees, 130 degrees for the point of Pusho Point Lighthouse. Adding them, I would get 530 degrees. And as you know, there is no 530 degrees in the compass repeater, so I must subtract 530 with 360 degrees, giving me 170 degrees. So I would have a point of 170 degrees for my Pusho Point with a distance of nautical miles, 6 nautical miles. So 170 degrees would be like this. Now going to Pusho Point, I must find here Pusho Point. Now I must locate 6 nautical miles. This wouldn't be the final outcome since the distance would be 6 nautical miles. So here, let me start with my compass divider. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this way. So the distance would be around, let me check again if I'm not mistaken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yes. So if I'm not mistaken, around here. Oh. So the first point would be around here. Now as you can see, it's just too far away from the course or the hypothetical course. So let me write again 200 degrees, meaning this way. Now I found the 1330 fixed point. Let me just erase the hypothetical course. Pardon me. So this would be my 1330 fixed point. Now, second, I must find the dead reckoning of the falling tide with tidal stream speed of 0.6. So dead reckoning. Now, in order to find the dead reckoning, I must use the 10 knots. Pardon me. The 10 knots. The variable of the 10 knots is the knots used by our vessel. Now, the tidal stream speed would be 0.6 knots, which means 0.06 knots. The variable is the falling stream or the tidal stream speed. So, by subtracting them, I would receive, this would be wait, let me check again. 10, 0, 6, 0, 9, 10, around 9.4. Bring down 0, so it would be 9.40 divided by 2 for the variable, and 98, meaning this is around 4, 114.7, 0. So 4.7, the distance would be 4.7. So back with my compass using 1, 2, 3, 4. So the distance would be here, around here. Oh, I am sticking, sorry. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So around here. So we have located our dead reckoning. Let me write this symbol for the dead reckoning. This would be the symbol used for dead reckoning here. Now, continuing the process, I must locate the next objective that is asked for the performance criteria, and that would be locating the position of 1430. 1430 would be a continuation for the course of this vessel, meaning that 4.7 would be multiplied by twice due to dead reckoning. So 4.7, let us say it's around 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4.7, 8.7, around here. Yes, here. So now I have located my 1430 position, 1430 hours position, or fixed position, or my second position, point B, fixed position. Let's just see. So I've located my first point at 330. 330 would be right here. My dead reckoning. So let me write here. My dead reckoning would be located here. And lastly, continuing the process or the course, after around 30 minutes from the dead reckoning, the vessel would be located here, 1430H. That is all. Thank you.